Hey everybody, how you doing? Welcome to Business 190. I'm your instructor, Mr. Campos. Today we're going to look and we're going to focus on a couple of things. We're going to log you into the virtual machine, and I'm going to show you a couple of tips and tricks that will avoid confusion. And we're also going to show you how to log into AES, our quote-unquote digital book. We don't have a book, so yay, you don't have to purchase a book. And I'm really happy about that. Love saving you guys some money. So let's get right to it. Let me show you. You're going to be needing how you're going to be logging into the virtual machine. So what you're going to do is eventually I'm going to be sharing this link with you that will show you how to log into our online portal. Okay. Once you get there, you'll see a couple of options to log into our computers. Remember, you're logging into a virtual computer. It's not, obviously it's online, but it's got a lot of great stuff. You're always going to use this one, the HTML access. And a bunch of classrooms will eventually show up once you've logged in. So you're going to log in using your same user ID you use to log into other things on campus. I'm going to have you guys just join this classroom, E211. That's where I'm located. I'll talk to you guys about that later. And it's going to take it a minute to load. And while it's loading, the reason that we kind of want to emphasize you using this virtual machine is really simple. I want you to use the virtual machine to avoid confusion. If you own Microsoft Word, good for you. You may not need to use the steps exactly as shown, but I'm going to assume you don't have Word and you're going to use Microsoft Word that we offer you, and this should make the experience just a little easier. So that's the main reason. That being said, when you go to AES, I'd like to encourage you to use Google Chrome on the virtual machine. Don't use the Google Chrome on your computer. You'll understand later why. It's going to save a lot of frustration. It's going to save you a lot of time. So again, when you go online to log into AES, which I'm going to show you in a minute, you use Google Chrome on the virtual machine. Don't use yours, because at some point you're going to have to download stuff and you're going to look for it and you're going to say, hey, where's my stuff? And it'll be on your computer, not on the virtual machine. It's just going to save a lot of time. You don't have to, but again, if you'd have to have Microsoft Word on your machine. So anyway, let me make sure that we're all logged in, and it looks like we are. So the emphasis again, once you log into the virtual machine, we've got a bunch of great programs such as Microsoft Word, which you will be using in this assignment, in this module. And there's Google Chrome. So when you go on the internet, it's weird. You're already on the internet. I would like you to use this Google Chrome to log into AES. Hopefully that's clear. So what is AES? This is our online system that we use to teach the class. I am going to be sharing with you guys a code. I'm going to give you a link that'll take you there. And here's your class code. I'm going to give it to you later. But when you sign up, you're going to be given a code. I want you to sign up not with this. I want you to enroll into a class with, I want you to make sure you enroll using your Google account. So for example, it's 6YMHM, 6YMHM. I'm going to go next, and it's going to give me an option to enroll with Google. You have to use this. It's so easy. Do not use your own thing. Don't make a username. Just enroll with your Hartnell Gmail account. So just wanted to make sure that you understood that. Once you enroll, it just makes it that much easier. Okay. Now, what does the class look like? It's pretty simple. Once you're there, you're going to see some assignments. For example, we're going to start on career development. Again, I'm not assigning it just yet, but let me view it as a student so you see what I'm talking about. You'll see career development. And once you open a module, sorry about that, you'll see a couple of units. So for example, I might say, hey, open the career exploration and research unit and do lesson 1. And you'll go through it. It's interactive. It's going to ask you to open Word at some point, and you're going to be doing some work. That's all. I'm going to keep it short. I want to keep the video under 5 minutes. I don't want to overwhelm you. My goal was to show you how to log into the virtual machine and how AES looks and how to enroll into AES. That's it. We're going to keep it simple. That's going to be the mission. Plus, I might throw in maybe one unit lesson just to get you guys going, okay? So if you have any questions, remember, preferred method is to send me an email using your Hartnell Gmail account, and I look forward to having a great semester with you all.